Alrighty, Mr. Gatekeeper here. Here goes another candy build. This one is pretty much called a yellow bass boat type build. And the camera does not do it justice. There we go. If you take a look at the sparkle in it. After I turn this light on above, you can see it. Turn the light off, it disappears, and you got just that shiny feel to it. But it doesn't do it justice on the camera or taking pictures. Let's see, get it just to the angle there. Once you take this bad boy over in the sun and watch the light hit it, you'll see, man, it's got that bass boat type look. This right here is a true candy paint, automotive candy paint job here, just the same as you would see on a vehicle. And you're gonna see a few more of these here. We got about 4 or 5 of them we've got in the making right now. But I just love it. It sets the whole amplifier off when you look at it from the appearance point, and I like it, man. I really do like the yellow look. The guy wanted to go with a green yellow type feel, so I got him a custom little fan there. That's really green too, buddy. Because if you look at this green LED on the front, it makes that LED almost look a little more yellowish. So that is a very green fan. Let's just see the back of it here. You got the remote port right there. So this right here is going to be a driver for a tube type amplifier. I can't remember exactly which type it is, but so I built this a little differently than I would just straight tube. So I kind of built it a little bit more closer to your needs, bud. And this should work very well, man. Very well. All right, let's let you see what it's doing, and we'll pop the top off of it and take a peek inside. We're on that supply over there. We're on about 15 volts. We've got the 1000 watt slug in. We're going to look at RMS first. Let's see if I can get that there. It's kind of, there we go. You got the 10 watt slug in for the input reflect. Alright, I'm just going to turn the variable all the way up. We got 4 watts going in from the radio. 4 watts RMS, okay? That's your dead key, good low dead key. Oh yeah. Alright, that's right there, about 60 watts RMS. Here's your input reflect. Oh, oh yeah. Input looks great. Let's go ahead and put it on PIPE. Oh yeah. Right there at 200 watts, a little bit under 200 watts with the 4 watt drive. Alright, we're going to go ahead and just hit it real quick with the hot radio, just let you see that. Alrighty. Beautiful amp, man. Got some gold plated Teflon connectors on this bad boy. Beautiful, man. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, I'll be honest with you. I hadn't done a one in yellow like this, and I tell you what, I really like it. Even got the yellow power wire there matching there. I was lucky enough to have some of this this yellow wire here, man. KCA Condu Concepts. I love it. Gave you a good nice little length of it too, man. Alrighty. Alright, we got the hot radio hooked up. Let's turn her on. Turn that off. Alright. We got variables all the way up. Alright, let's go back to the RMS. Let's see if this thing's hitting about 100 here. Oh, right there, dead on, dead nuts on, 100 watts RMS. I gotta make me one of these, man. Use it as a driver for the bench here. All right, let's put it on PIPE. Oh, yeah. that's right there about 280 watts, man. PEP. I didn't want this thing doing full blast. I didn't want it to really do nothing crazy like 350 or anywhere around there, man, because I know you're using this as a driver. I was trying to kind of set it up for you so you could turn it all the way up and hopefully still drive it. You might have to back it down and get your dead key just where you want it. Got you a good high quality switch there for you, man. I like them switches, man. I'm gonna try to start using them a lot more. Let's go ahead and unhook this thing, man. Go ahead and take off the lid here. The old tin, as they say. Alright, let me do this very carefully. I try not to, you know, that's the only downfall about these candy painted boxes. They will leave fingerprints, man. Which, you know, ain't that big of a deal. You can just wipe them off. But, let's just see there. We got you a regulator there on the fan for you. I don't know if that light's gonna help or not. Let's see here. Yeah, I think that's good. It's a little dim, but I guess you can see what's going on here. Through a 5 watt there, man, just in case you're gonna be running that variable down a little bit. Give that more of a chance to handle a little bit more heat. And there she is, man. Hey, nothing too special in the circuitry, just a regular old 2290. I actually hadn't done too many 2290 boxes. This might be the first video I've done of a 2290 box myself, but there she goes, man. She's working well. I think she's going to be a good driver for you. Got the little B plus going there. Powering each transistor individually with two 16 gauge wires. Got a nice size little 150 on the back there for the tune for you, man. Went ahead and strap there. I didn't want that bead kind of bouncing back and forth during shipment. You got your remote there, man, just in case. I know you're using it as a driver. I normally just put these remotes here. You didn't have a request for this to key your box up for you, but that always could be used for that in the future if you ever wanted to use this to key your big box. But I don't know if you got a keying circuit or using a foot pedal. But there she blows, man. Some of the other candy boxes you'll see, I kind of corresponded the inside with the outside when it comes to color. I didn't do that with this one. This one right here is just pretty much got the yellow effect on the outside, yellow bass boat effect, and on the inside, you know, you got a little blue scattered out or whatever. But it looks good. Looks good, and I hope it works a long time for you, man. Mr. Lead Pipe. That's who this is for, Mr. Lead Pipe Shorty. Enjoy, Lead Pipe Shorty. I appreciate you being patient with me, man. That's a big thank you for the patience and everybody else out there holding. I appreciate y'all's patience. We starting some new things over here. Gonna be putting a bench actually over there. Across that wall, about a 16-foot bench. We're already starting to clear things out for that, and you know, making more steps for better organization, which is always a big key, and just help things flow a lot better around here on this cap picking in. Hope you enjoy this bad boy, man. Got some feet on there for you. That's one thing I will be doing with these candy boxes. I gotta put feet on them. I don't want the under part of these boxes being scraped up, man. So I'm gonna be putting feet on any candy box. Candy painted box is standard, but it's beautiful, man. I just flat out tell you, it's a flat out blessing. Flat out blessing, man. From one of my buddies to run an automotive shop, you know, it's just all it is a straight out blessing. And now I'll be able to bless other people with some good looking boxes. Candy painted. Got some too that ain't candy paint. But still, there's lots of different styles out there, man. It's all about what y'all can come up with, and he'll try to do it for you. Color codes. We got one done with a color code of somebody's vehicle. Painted the same colors as vehicle. So there you go. Well, hope you enjoy, Mr. Lead Pipe. On to the next. Gatekeeper right here around the northeast end of Georgia. We good and we gone. Bye-bye.